Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be reviewing and creating this look using the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover Collection. So Unearthly Cosmetics used to be Alien Cosmetics, but it is now Unearthly Cosmetics. So I will be testing out the Sleepover Palette as well as the Cupid Gloss. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram, Logan K Makeup. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. It is $35 and it's on pre-order right now, and the estimated ship date is April 4th. It comes with 4 shimmers, 1 sequin matte, and 4 matte shades. It's also vegan and cruelty free. This is what the outside packaging looks like. Really beautiful. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And the pans are also magnetic, so you can take them out and switch the shades if you do not like the way that it is set up. And then here are what the swatches look like. Maybe if it will focus. There is what the swatches look like. We have Flirty, which is a matte, Cuddles, which is a matte, Satin, which is a shimmer, Stay In, which is a shimmer, Laughter, another shimmer, Sweetheart, a matte, Beloved is a matte, Sleepover is the sequin matte, and Bouquet is the last shimmer. Let me see if I can turn down the lighting just a little bit. There you go. Now you can really see the shades. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this sequins shade, but here is what all of these swatches look like. I really wish I would have purchased one of the blushes. I did not, but maybe in one of my next purchases I will just add one of those in there. I did, however, pick up the lip gloss in the collection, and this retails for $10. It is in the shade Cupid, and it's a pink with a golden sparkle. And here's what the lip gloss looks like. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. That is everything that I purchased from the collection. I just decided on the palette and the lip gloss. I think they came out with like 3 blushes and a highlighter, but I just decided to get those 2 items. So I'm gonna wipe off these swatches, and I think I'm going to do one eye off camera, and then I will come back and do the other eye on camera. Here is the look that I came up with. First, I'm gonna go in with the shade Beloved, which is this matte pinky lilac. And I am going to put that all in my crease. Then I'm gonna take the shade Flirty and put that right under that first shade. Then I'm gonna take the shade Sweetheart, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. This shade built up really well, and it was really easy to blend, and I'm surprised, but it was not patchy at all. But I love Unearthly's formula. It is a really nice buildable, blendable eyeshadow formula. For the sake of testing out this palette, I'm gonna take the shade Sleepover, and I'm going to just put that on my lower lash line, just a little bit. You can barely tell here, but I kind of have it smudged out a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the shade Satin and put that in the inner part of my lid, and then the shade Stay In, and I'm going to put that right on the center of my lid. And I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Then I'm gonna take the shade Bouquet. I'm just gonna take just a little bit of that and put that right here. Lastly, I'm gonna take the shade Laughter and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Here is what the finished eye look looks like. I love the way that this look turned out. It's so beautiful and I'm really impressed with the quality of this eyeshadow palette, but I love Unearthly's formula, like I said, so I knew it wasn't going to disappoint. I'm not sure how well this is gonna go with this eye look, but I'm gonna test it out. I haven't tried any of Unearthly's lip products. Here is what the applicator looks like. Also, you can see that this eyeshadow stained my hand, so we're gonna swatch it on this side. So this is what the gloss looks like, really pretty. It has a little bit of a smell, but nothing too crazy. It's a little vanilla-y. That gloss is beautiful. This might be my new favorite gloss. It's not sticky at all. It's very smooth. You can't feel the glitter at all. It smells nice. I think my lips look really nice, and I think I'm going to use this a lot. I also wanted to mention I did use the shade Satin as my highlighter, and I think it is such a beautiful highlight. It makes my skin look glowy and wet, so I will probably be using that as a highlight as well. But here is the finished look. I think you can tell from this video that I love both of these products. I'm really impressed with their eyeshadow palettes. I think this is my third one to date, so I will definitely be purchasing from them again, but I love this eyeshadow palette. I love the way my look turned out. Let me know if you want me to do more looks with this palette, and I can definitely do that for you. And I love this gloss. I definitely want to get more glosses from them. I love the color and I love the formula. I think it makes my lips look really nice and juicy. So yeah, that is everything for this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.